Hi, I'm Evan Pantazi. One of the viewers here postulated a question. I wonder if the movements of kata came from Tai Chi Chuan, or was there some common root? This was a while back, but it doesn't matter anymore. Okay, yeah, it would be nice to know, but there are no really great documents. Is Tai Chi the original form? I don't know. Could it have been San Chin? Could San Chin have been the 18 steps that Bodhidharma brought to the Shaolin monastery? Is that the beginning of kata? Or did it go back further than that, back into ancient India? And further than that, back to ancient Egypt? Okay, because they had hieroglyphs with postures, fighting postures. And these fighting postures look a lot like some Kung Fu styles. So where did it come from? We're not going to know. But does it matter anymore? Okay, yes, again, it would be nice to know where it came from, but it's not important. What's important now is that we can pass on now what we have learned from the historical data. Okay, now styles change. People change styles. So it's not easy to say that it's always going to remain the same, that one kata is done a particular way. But let's look at some concepts here. Let's take a couple postures from Tai Chi. There's a posture this way in a Tai Chi form. Well, does that look sort of like a Heian form? Or does it look like a Kata Seiuchin or other type of forms of that nature? You come into the single whip of Tai Chi. Is that from Tai Chi or another kata? Or is it from other postures in kata? Again, we're not going to know. The postures of the kata can mutate. The postures, depending on the stylist that picked up the movement, okay, or the meaning, they're the ones that changed it. They're the only ones that know why they changed it or where it came from. And again, we're never going to know. However, there is something we can know. We can know that if it was a martial art, that the martial artist or the inventor of that particular form or style or action that was later compiled and placed into a form had the weaknesses of the opponent in mind. And that's where Kyusho comes in. Kyusho is not a martial arts style. It fits into all martial arts styles because all it is an understanding of the human anatomy and the physiology of the human body and how it functions. Now, once we know that and once we have the concept down, we have a good base with that, and we can now start to relate it to any martial arts style, from the Kung Fu styles of China to the Vietnamese styles to Filipino styles to Japanese or Okinawan, or any martial art whatsoever. We could even go back to the hieroglyphs of ancient Egypt and take a look at the actions, and we could start using those to target the weaker anatomical structures of the body. So is Tai Chi the original form, or the main concept, or the main form that all other actions came from? Again, it doesn't matter, okay? And it's highly doubtful. It goes back further than that. And what matters is more what you can do with that action. All right? It doesn't have to necessarily be Tai Chi. Tai Chi is a wonderful art. I study it myself. Been studying it for decades. I like it, but it is not the live all and end all. Okay? Nor is the karate katas. Okay? It's what you put into those katas, what you put into those actions. All right. If you can see something further than just an exercise from this posture or whatever posture it is, then that's your personal knowledge, your personal understanding, and your personal forte. All right. So again, Is it important? No. Did it come from there? Don't know. Highly speculative. All right. But interesting to conceive and to debate. All right. Thank you for watching the YouTube channel. I'm going to be coming back a little bit more sporadically with the videos, hopefully daily again. I've set up a time schedule so I can take care of the book. So again, we're coming back at you. Put those questions below, okay? Because if we have the questions, we can give you better answers on particular applications, particular targets, particular weapons, particular katas, okay? It's up to you. So please, thumbs up, like the video, share it if you want, and then also please comment below, okay? Question below, and we'll answer them. Thanks again for watching.